Okay, here are your notes on solving systems of equations by graphing. I want you to take these notes, follow along, write in. If you need to, pause this film. So what we're going to do, this says the equation 2x plus 1 equals 9 has a solution of x equals 4. This is the solution of the equation because when 4 is substituted for x, the equation makes a true statement. So, such as this, 2, and I'm substituting 4 in for x. I'm just rewriting this equation, substituting 4 in for x. 4 plus 1 equals 9. Now let's find out. What's 2 times 4? That's 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now, 8 plus 1, that's 9, equals 9. And that is a very true statement. So that means x equals 4 is a solution. Alright, and I'm going to use that a lot. We're looking for solutions for equations. Now what happens if I have two equations and I want to find one number that is a solution to both of them? So let's try this out. We're going to try this by graphing first. Alright, graphing is kind of the key here. So we're going to graph this. Now remember how to graph it. First, use your y-intercept. Alright, use your y-intercept. So this is -1. Graph that first. Then use your slope. This is -1 over 2. So that means our rise is -1 and then to the right 2. So that is how we find this graph. And we can use a ruler. And since I don't have a ruler this time, I'm just going to go ahead and continue plotting some points and connect those points. Alright. So I'm going to plot those points. And if you had a ruler, you could just use these 2 points and it would line up just fine. So I have a line that looks something like this. Okay? Now, we're going to do the same thing for this other graph. Use your y-intercept first. Okay, this is -4, so we're going to go down to -4. And then use your slope. 1/4 is positive, so up 1 over 4. Up 1 over 4. And this allows us to graph this line. So we're going to graph this line right here. Boom, 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 boom.